Acid rain is a significant environmental issue. It begins with air pollution from factories and vehicles. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are key pollutants. These pollutants mix with water vapor in the atmosphere. This creates sulfuric and nitric acids in the rain. Acid rain can fall in various forms, including droplets, fog, and snow. It can harm trees and vegetation. Soil degradation is another serious effect. Water bodies also suffer from acidification. This impacts aquatic life and ecosystems. The effects extend to humans, including respiratory issues. Acid rain can corrode buildings and monuments. Historical examples show acid rain's impact on nature and architecture. Important legislation aims to reduce emissions. Technological advancements help monitor air quality. Public awareness campaigns educate on this issue. Individual actions can contribute to reducing pollution. Research continues to understand long-term effects. The future depends on collective action against pollution. Together, we can mitigate acid rain and its effects.